Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we celebrate the world's most fascinating classic automobiles and timeless automotive legends. If you love vintage vehicles, rare classics, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the remarkable 1965 Jeep Wagoneer, a vehicle that many automotive historians consider one of the most influential sport utility vehicles ever built. Long before luxury SUVs became a global phenomenon, the Jeep Wagoneer was setting new standards for comfort, capability, and versatility. When the Wagoneer arrived in the early 1960s, it completely changed what people expected from a four-wheel drive vehicle. At a time when most off-road machines were rugged, basic, and designed primarily for work, Jeep introduced something revolutionary. The 1965 Wagoneer combined serious off-road capability with passenger car comfort, creating a new category that would eventually evolve into the modern SUV market we know today. One glance at the 1965 Jeep Wagoneer reveals its timeless appeal. The design is clean, practical, and unmistakably American. Its boxy shape was not only attractive but highly functional, maximizing interior space while providing excellent visibility. The signature Jeep grille, sturdy body lines, and confident stance gave the vehicle a distinctive personality that remains admired by collectors even decades later. Performance. Under the hood, buyers had several engine options depending on their needs. These powerplants were built with durability in mind, delivering reliable performance whether the vehicle was navigating city streets, country roads, or challenging off-road trails. The engineering philosophy behind the Wagoneer emphasized toughness and dependability, qualities that helped establish Jeep's legendary reputation. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the 1965 Wagoneer was its focus on comfort. While many utility vehicles of the era offered only the basics, the Wagoneer featured a surprisingly refined interior. Comfortable seating, thoughtful controls, and improved ride quality made it suitable for family transportation as well as outdoor adventures. This combination of luxury and utility was virtually unheard of during the mid-1960s. Families quickly recognized the benefits of owning a vehicle that could do almost everything. During the week, it served as dependable transportation for daily errands and commuting. On weekends, it could carry camping equipment, towing gear, or sports equipment into remote areas with confidence. This versatility became one of the Wagoneer's greatest strengths and a major reason for its lasting popularity. The four-wheel drive system was another standout feature. Jeep had already earned respect for building capable off-road vehicles, and the Wagoneer continued that tradition. Whether dealing with snow-covered roads, muddy trails, rocky terrain, or challenging weather conditions, the vehicle demonstrated impressive capability. Owners appreciated knowing they could venture beyond paved roads without sacrificing comfort. Many automotive experts now recognize the Wagoneer as one of the first true luxury SUVs. Today, premium sport utility vehicles dominate the global automotive market, but the roots of that segment can be traced directly back to vehicles like the 1965 Wagoneer. It successfully proved that consumers wanted both refinement and ruggedness in a single package. The craftsmanship of the era also contributes to the vehicle's enduring appeal. Built with robust materials and straightforward mechanical systems, many examples have survived for decades. Enthusiasts often restore these classic Jeeps, bringing them back to their original glory while preserving an important piece of automotive history. Collectors value the 1965 Wagoneer not only for its historical significance but also for its unique driving experience. Behind the wheel, drivers are transported to a different era of motoring. The commanding seating position, substantial steering feel, and unmistakable character create a connection between driver and machine that many modern vehicles struggle to replicate. As the years passed, the Wagoneer continued to evolve, but the foundation established by the 1965 model remained incredibly important. Its blend of practicality, comfort, and capability influenced countless manufacturers and inspired generations of SUVs. Few vehicles can claim such a profound impact on the automotive industry. Today, seeing a beautifully preserved 1965 Jeep Wagoneer is a special experience. It serves as a reminder of a time when innovation was driven by bold ideas and a willingness to challenge conventional thinking. The vehicle represented a vision of what transportation could become, and history has proven that vision was remarkably accurate. Whether you're a dedicated Jeep enthusiast, a collector of classic automobiles, or simply someone who appreciates automotive innovation, the 1965 Jeep Wagoneer deserves recognition. It wasn't just another vehicle of its era, it was a pioneer that helped shape the future of the automotive world. Its timeless styling, dependable engineering, practical versatility, and groundbreaking concept continue to earn admiration from enthusiasts around the globe. More than 60 years after its introduction, the Wagoneer remains a symbol of adventure, freedom, and American automotive ingenuity. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible classic, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which vintage Jeep model you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, keep your passion for classic automobiles alive, and we'll see you in the next video. Did you like this feature?